Welcome to Selling Trucker. My name is Sahir, and if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. In this episode, we get into a blizzard. Big time blizzard. Stay tuned. Hello there. As you can see, it was hot, and I changed shirt because it was too hot to be wearing those long sleeves. So, that's not gonna last. I just checked the radar, the storm radar app, and it's gonna be bad. So I'm going to be stopping in Sydney, Nebraska, which is 77 miles away. I'm going to stop there because Cheyenne is already, what time is it here? 2:16 in the afternoon. It's already under snow. So that means that I'm not going to make it to Cheyenne. But Sydney, Nebraska, that's where we're going to do it. I was hoping to make it to Laramie. Not gonna happen. I'll show you how it goes. I'm supposed to arrive tonight. Tonight here. It's already there. By 5 in the afternoon, Sydney should be under snow totally. And that's gonna be sucks, man. It just sucks. But anyway, that's trucking for you, right there, trucking. Boy. I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening. So, if anything happened, at least you're watching. My legacy. Bye for now. Woke up and this is what we got. Check this out. Yeah, and it's still coming down. It hasn't finished. Oh, look at this. Got snow all over. It's still coming down. It's not over yet. I turned off the truck last night, and I don't know about that, but woke up and it was freaking freezing. Oh man! But hey, it's trucking for you. So apparently this thing is gonna keep going until tonight. So I'm gonna be here sitting for 2 days or a day and a half for no good reason. The beauty of this. Look at me. I've already got 3 layers. 1, 2, and 3. And I am inside the truck. I haven't even get out of the truck yet. So, yeah, this lady needs to go out. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. You ready? Thank you. Right there. You're gonna do it right there. Just gonna do it right there. She loves the snow. Yeah, not a lot of people leave this place. This heavy snow. I mean, it's gotta be crazy. But some people do. Some people don't care. And they're taking chances, if you ask me. But hey, that's the way it goes. But look at this place. It's like it's totally packed. Are you ready? Bump. Oh yeah. You like that snow, don't you? Yes, you do. No, one. Oh. Yeah, we're stuck here. I just received a warning from the weather app. It's gonna be like that until 11 p.m. tonight. So that means that I'm gonna stay here until tomorrow morning. So, yep, nothing we can do about it. And look at that. Look at my truck. Look at that truck. Not easy. Ven acá. What are you doing? Come here. Vamos, ven acá. Nikita. With no time to play. Okay. Bump. Oh, you went really quick. keep you updated. Oh, hello, guys. Yeah, middle of the day. It's still going on. Still coming down. Nothing new here. No, it's just interesting, I get this because the guy that owns the load, every day I have to text him and give me an update of where the hell am I and all that crap. And he texts me in the morning and I say stuck in a winter storm in Sydney, Nebraska. Then he answers back like, oh man, this load is already late. Now it's going to be even more late. Well, I took a video with the cell phone and sent it to him. What do you want me to do about it? Like it's something I can do about it. I have one pallet weight in the trailer. The highway is closed, by the way. It's closed. Highway 80 is closed all the way from Evanston. That's like at the border with Utah. Okay, it's closed and all the way to, I don't know. My friend is in 76 and 80 there in the junction, and it's closed there. So, like, what do you want me to do? Number one, it's closed. Number two, even if it wasn't closed, I'm not taking a chance. I just need a little puff of wind or something slippery and off I go, to the ditch. No, I don't think so. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry, but it's like there's some people I don't get it. Just think that I'm happy about this. I get paid by the mile. I'm sitting here. I'm not making any money. Okay? I could have been in Vancouver 2 days earlier, but I'm not going to be, and I'm not going to get paid for it. So, yeah. Some people just don't get it. There is a snowstorm. There's nothing I can do about it. Yeah. I mean, it's like -4, -5 now, so it's not so bad. I turn on the truck like this guy just did. Let it go for half an hour or so, charge the batteries and warm up here, and then I turn it off. So that's how we're rolling. But anyway, just wanted to keep you guys updated on what's happening. In the meantime, I'm just editing here, downloading some movies, some TV shows and stuff. And that's about it. That's about it. Not a lot of stuff happening. So, yeah. Stay tuned. go there. A ver. Yeah. I don't even know what day is today. I think it's black ice in the road. We left Sydney, Nebraska. What? 30 minutes ago? This is bad. It's minus 19 degrees. And it's just pure black ice. I don't know what they call it black. I think it's racist. Because it's white, really. But whatever. The point is that this thing is slippery. I feel the truck moving like that all the time. And it's just ridiculous. And so I woke up early today and I went and had a shower. It's my shower day, and got coffee and got ready, and I barely couldn't even make it out of the place because my wheels were spinning, and I don't have any weight, so I cannot even put chain on. So, but yeah, I am driving at 41 miles per hour, really slow. Really slow. At least until this gets better. Oh, come on. I just changed lane, and this lane, they just go worse. Murphy for you there. Anyway. Yeah, this is nerve-wracking here. Very nerve-wracking. So, if you want to learn more about trucking advice, click on that link. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. In the meantime, guys, we're gonna keep on trucking. Bye-bye.